In this video, I will be showing you how to blur an image in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I head over to the top left side of the home screen and click on Create a Design. From the options that pop up in the drop-down menu, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas for our project. Once the canvas loads, I go over to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, I type in flower and hit Enter. I then switch over to the Photos tab to browse through all the image options available. I scroll down through the photo collection until I find the perfect floral picture. Once I spot it, I click on it to add it directly onto my canvas. I then resize and adjust the photo so it fills the entire frame nicely. With the image selected, I go to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. This opens up the side panel with all the image editing tools. I click on See All under Tools to reveal more options, and then I select the Blur tool. Inside the Blur tool settings, you have two different ways to apply the effect: using the brush to target specific areas, or applying it across the whole image. First, let's look at the brush option. I increase the brush size slightly, and then I click and drag my mouse directly over the image to brush over the areas I want to blur. As you can see, this allows you to selectively blur specific parts of your photo while leaving the rest crisp. If you decide you want to undo your brush strokes or clear the effect, you can simply click on Remove Blur at any time. Next, let's switch over to the Whole Image tab. Here, you'll find a single intensity slider. As I drag the slider to the right, the blur effect increases smoothly across the entire photograph, allowing you to dial in the exact soft background look you want. Once I'm happy with the blur intensity, I close out the editing panel to view the final result on the main canvas. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to blur image in Canva.